Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about another managed service that is provided by AWS, and it is called AWS Code Build. So, as the name suggests that it is used to build the code. The other thing is it is a managed source, managed service. So most of the things are taken care by AWS. So we'll discuss what is the exact work that is being done by Amazon Code Build, how it is helpful in day-to-day deployment activities. So let us start the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So basic definition of AWS Code Build is, again, whenever we say fully managed service, I mean most of the things are taken care by AWS. It is a continuous integration service. The moment you push your code on the GitHub or you push your code on code commit, this code build is triggered. And what it does, it compiles your source code, because it's the name of the service is AWS Code Build. So it compiles source code, it runs the different tests and produces software package that are ready to deploy. So the output is an artifact that is being used for the deployment purpose. So build is basically building your code, and again it is a continuous integration. You don't need to provision, manage and scale your own build servers. Code build building in code build is done automatically. It is taken as it is a managed service. So the servers where it is going to compile the code and everything is managed on the back end. It scales continuously and process multiple builds concurrently. If you have set up this code build with 2-3 different GitHub or repositories, or if you have just different branches and those all branches points to some different servers like staging server, production server, development server. So it is capable of doing all these things in concurrently, and there is no impact on the time that it take to build the code. So you can get started quickly by using pre-packaged build environments. And code build, you are charged by the minute for the compute resources you use. So this is a very good managed service from AWS, and main purpose is to build the code, and it is the concept of continuous integration. So the moment your code is pushed on GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or even code commit, this code build is fired if we have done all the settings, and it manages all the servers behind the scene. So this is all about code build. That is again a very good part of deployment activity in AWS. We discuss AWS code commit, we discuss code deploy. So again, the deploy takes the artifact that is created by code build. So friends, this was all about code build. I will be showing you the practical experience or practical example also for this code build. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.